Hello, I am Victoria Johnson. Welcome to Louise Hay Meditations for Healing, Section 7, Free to Be Ourselves. Learn how to change your thoughts to change your life. For more information on becoming a Heal Your Life workshop teacher and coach, please visit thetraining.ca.
We are free to be ourselves. In order to be whole, we must accept all of ourselves. So let your heart open and make plenty of room in there for all the parts of yourself. The parts that you are proud of and the parts that embarrass you. The parts you reject and the parts you love. They are all of you. You are beautiful. We all are. When your heart is full of love for yourself, then you have so much to share with others. Let this love now fill your room and permeate out to all the people that you know. Put the people you want in the center of your room so that they can receive the love from your overflowing heart, from your child to theirs. Now see all the children in all the people dancing as children dance, skipping and shouting and turning somersaults and cartwheels, filled with exuberant joy, expressing all the best of the child within. And let your child go and play with the other children. Let your child dance. Let your child feel safe and free. Let your child be all that it ever wanted to be. You are perfect, whole, and complete, and all is well in your wonderful world. And so it is.